Hello and welcome to this FRV Solar Farm Environmental Induction presentation for the Lilyvale Solar Farm in Queensland. Part of our responsibilities when operating a solar farm also include dealing with any environmental issues that may occur. All fauna and flora must be treated appropriately in accordance with the Site Operations and Environmental Management Plan. No protected plants or trees may be removed without approval. All alien vegetation should be removed on an ongoing basis. Protected trees may not be disturbed, and all transplantable protected species must be rescued and put into bags using local soil prior to relocation. Extra care should be taken around fauna such as snakes due to the potential health and safety risks they present to workers. Ensure you stay away from any potentially dangerous animals. Water is becoming an increasingly scarce and important resource. Potable or drinkable water will be made available to all personnel on the solar farm site. In addition, non-potable water will be used during the operations and maintenance period for on-site activities. Spills must be reported to the site manager immediately. A spill kit is available at the solar farm site. In the event of any spill, the following procedures will be followed. Immediately notify the site manager, isolate the spill utilizing the spill kit, scrape and collect contaminated soil and place in a bag provided, and transport and dispose of the waste material at a waste facility. Ground and surface water must not be contaminated and must only be used in accordance with the Operations and Environmental Management Plan. No water may be extracted from any water body, and use of water bodies for washing is not allowed. No hazardous material may be stored close to any of the dams on site. Any concrete spillage should be attended to immediately, and no servicing of construction machinery is allowed on site. Used oil must be stored in bunded areas before removal. Potentially contaminated water originating from site must be directed through an oil and water separator. FRV aims to minimize our environmental impact. Please assist us in achieving our objectives by reducing and recycling waste as far as possible, using the labelled waste bins or skip bins for different types of waste. No waste may be burned or buried on site. Waste skips should be covered to prevent waste from blowing out, and work areas must be left in a clean and tidy state. Drip trays must be placed under all plant and machinery where leaks may occur or when standing for long periods of time. This includes all generators, jerry cans, and any other temporary use hazardous chemicals. No plastic drip trays are allowed on site. Emissions produced at the solar farm site are low, but we're required to manage the amount of dust that's created. Dust will be managed by the effective management of ground cover, limiting vehicle speed while on site, and the implementation of dust mitigation measures where visible emissions are due to the operation of the solar farm. If any Aboriginal object is discovered on or under the land while completing work activities on the Lilyvale Solar Farm, all personnel must not further harm the object, immediately cease all work at the location, secure the area so as to avoid further harm, notify the Queensland Government as soon as practical on 13/74/68, and not recommence any work at the location unless authorised to do so in writing. In the event that skeletal remains are unexpectedly encountered during site activities, work must stop immediately, the area secured to prevent unauthorised access, and the Queensland Police and Queensland Government should be contacted. Please assist FRV in reducing the impact we have on biodiversity while completing operations and maintenance activities on our solar farm sites by caring for our local environment.